In this video, we're going to fix if your SD card in your Amazon Fire tablet is not reading any longer. So we're going to go ahead and troubleshoot on how to get it to read again. This particular one is a Fire 10, and the SD reader is actually here on the right side. But of course, you probably remember where you installed it at. So what you're going to do is, if for some reason it's not reading, what you're going to do is do a force reset. And so what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the power button for about 40 seconds, and you're going to force it down. And you want to do it this way instead of doing the power off option. And then after 40 seconds, it's going to shut all the way down. And then what you want to do is start it back up. After you do the force shutdown and then you restart it again, see if the SD card is reading. If not, you want to make sure it does an update. It should automatically be doing an update when you restart it. But if not, go ahead and force the update. And to do that, you just go to Home, and then you go to Settings, which is the little gear shift. And then from there, you're going to go all the way down to where it says, let's see here, Device Options. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on System Update. And that could take anywhere from a minute to 10 minutes right there. And go ahead and update it, then restart it, and then see if it will recognize your SD card. Now, if that doesn't work, go ahead and force the tablet down again, completely shut it down. And what I want you to do with your SD card, I want you to take it out with the tablet completely off. Go ahead and take it out, and then firmly put the SD card back in, and then start the tablet back up. And then let me know if it reads it. If it doesn't work, do it again. Shut it down, take the SD card out, and firmly put it back in, and then see if it'll read. If that does not fix the problem, what I want you to do, it could be your SD card that's defective. Go ahead and take the SD card out and try it on a laptop or another device, and to see if that SD card will read somewhere else. If not, then you know it's just the SD card that's damaged. If for whatever reason you see that it is working on other devices, it's possibly that your tablet is damaged where it won't read an SD card. But that's very rare that would happen. And then you would have to get it serviced or just get another tablet. All right, thank you for watching.